Now let's see how to do AWS Lambda to AWS SQS event source mapping. In the Management Console, go to Lambda, Functions, Create Function, select the Author from Scratch option. In the function name, I'll type in my function. In the runtime, I'll select Python. Now scroll down, leave the rest as default, and click on Create Function. Wait for a few seconds. Now scroll down. Here you can see the lambda function.py. Click on test. I'll name the event as event1. Scroll down and click create. Again select test. So you can see your test code. Okay. Now go back. In the configuration, on the left hand side, click on permissions. Click on this link under the role name. The IAM Management Console opens. Now click on add permissions. Attach policies. Search for SQS policy. So I'll type in SQS here. Enter. Select the third policy, AWS Lambda SQS Queue execution role. Scroll down and click on attach policies. So your policy has been successfully attached. Now go back to the Lambda. Scroll up and search for SQS. Click on Simple Queue Service. Open it in a new tab. Click on Create Queue. Select the standard option. Name your queue. So I'll name it as Lambda queue. Scroll down. Leave all the configuration details as default. Scroll down and click on Create Queue. Now go back to Lambda. Click on Add Trigger. Select SQS. Now search for your queue you created just now. Add that queue and click on Add. Now go back to SQS. Click on Send and Receive Messages. Type in your message. So I'll type in hi, my first message. Click on Send Message. Scroll down and click on Pull for Messages. You can see that your messages are not visible. That's because your messages are directed to Lambda function. Now go back to your Lambda function. Go to Monitor. Click on View Logs in CloudWatch. Just wait for a few seconds for your console page to load. Okay, so now we are in CloudWatch. Now you can see in the log stream, your event is triggered here. Now go back to your SQS. I'll type in my second message. Hi, this is my second message. Now send message. Go back to your CloudWatch, refresh, and here you can see your second message triggered. So this is how you connect Lambda to SQS. Now go back to your SQS, click on Queues, select your queue, click on Delete. Type in delete. and confirm. Okay, now let's go back to our Lambda. Click on functions, select your function, go to actions, click on delete the function.